I'm Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. For today's supplies, we'll need a paper recycled tissue roll. We're going to use some twig strings. We're going to go ahead and use some Crafty stick, or if you around the house you'll see some sticks on the ground. You can use those. Go ahead and get a paper plate and put some, we're going to use bird seeds. Go ahead and get peanut butter, knife, a plastic knife, scissors. You can use a punch holder, or if you have a blade, but make sure you have adult supervision. And you can also lay a newspaper, wax paper on the table. That way it catches the bird seed. Okay, you're going to go ahead and grab your paper roll, tissue roll, and we're going to go ahead and take our sticks. And then, like I said, you can also use Crafty stick if you want to. You can use both combined. I'm going to go ahead and use the tree sticks, and I'm going to figure out where I want to put it. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 holes on either side, and I'm going to take my blade, and I just want to gradually place a hole in there. Or if you have a punch holder, you can also use a punch holder. So I'm trying to make it a little big, enough for the stick to go inside of it, and you can kind of figure out how big you want it. So I'm going to go ahead and do also on the other side. So I'm just taking my blade, I'm just going back and forth to make that hole. So got my first stick in there, and I would like to have mine a little bit long, that way the birds can sit on it. Okay, I'm going to take my second one, and I want to place it the other way. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the okay. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and place 2 holes on top. So I'm going to take my string and I'm going to hang it up once it's done. So just not too big, just a little bit. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to start putting peanut butter on the roll. Another option is if you don't want to add little sticks to your paper roll, that is fine also, because the temperature is getting a little bit warmer outside and the birds are coming out, and give birds some treats to make a bird feeder for them to put outside. once you're done, we're going to go ahead and take our bird seed, and you're going to go ahead and dab the bird feeder on the peanut butter. And you can put a little bit of pressure to get that bird seed in the peanut butter. Okay, you can take your string, and we'll go ahead and find where you might have a hard time looking for it because the peanut butter might have went inside the hole. If you have a needle, you can also grab a needle and use that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the other side. So don't make the string too short. We're going to go ahead and just leave it that way when you take it outside. That way you know how much to hang on your tree or on your porch outside. You can also put it on your porch. I would leave this out you can put it in the refrigerator for the peanut butter to set. That way once it sets, it'll be ready to place it outside, and which I did one ahead of time, and the seeds had got hard on the peanut butter, and then you can take it outside. So once you complete your bird feeder, go ahead and take a picture and put it in the comment section below. We would like to see your complete bird feeder. You can stop by our library. You can go to our website. On there, you'll request for a kit. And once the staff get it ready for you, they will call you and you will pick up your kit. On the inside, you'll have bird seeds, some peanut butter, and some twig string. And you can make your own bird feeder. I'm Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.